Hello, my friends. Happy Wednesday. We are continuing our study on perimeter, which is the distance around a shape. I hope you guys learned a lot yesterday, and hopefully we can continue to learn a lot today. All right, I'm going to go through these slides with you. Today, I'm going to focus a little bit more on our anchor chart, and I apologize, I'm going to look right over here because I can see my big computer better. The perimeter of an object. So yesterday, you copied this down into your math journals, I hope. If you didn't get a chance to, do that today so you have it for reference. So the perimeter, our definition is the distance all the way around an object. So I was thinking yesterday, my favorite sport is football. So sometimes I like to go out to our local high school and walk around the football field. I am actually walking around the perimeter of the field. So anything around an object, that is the distance, that's the measure. It shows you a couple shapes here on your anchor chart. It has a triangle and a quadrilateral or a rectangle here. We're going to be focusing mostly on rectangles for this week. You are to add up all the sides and then to get your perimeter. For that second shape there, you can find the length of a missing side by looking at the sides that are equal. So for a rectangle, the side that is across from the 5 meters or inches, would also be 5 inches, and the side across from the 7 inches would also be 7 inches. So remember, all sides must be included in the perimeter. So when you're doing your work, make sure you're adding up all the sides. Even if there's not a number there, you must figure out that number from the side across from. All right, this is your spiral review today. It's a picture graph. I've included a bunch of suns there that you can use for your picture graph. You're going to use the tally table at the top there to fill in your picture graph. If you look at the sun, one sun is worth 2 star-shaped cookies. There was a star there, but I couldn't find one. So you're going to be using the sun to fill in, and then you're going to answer the questions at the bottom. Here's your vocabulary for the week. Make sure you're reviewing them daily. And then today's assignment looks a little bit different. Let me see if it'll let me click. Okay, it's actually going to take you into a Wiser worksheet. We haven't done this in a little while, but if you remember, you just click on that link. Hopefully it'll take us there. Taking a minute. This worksheet is actually going to have you practicing. If it prompts you to do this, just sign in with your Google. It's going to have you practicing perimeter. Remember to complete all of it. Even if you're unsure of an answer, go ahead and take your best answer and put it down there just so I can see what you may need help with. That way I can know if I need to communicate with you further about this topic. It's taken a really long time. I'm sorry. It's coming though. Here it comes. All right. So it should just pop right up. You scroll down to your questions. It gives you a little video to help remind you or teach you if you're still unsure. And then your questions are found down here. So you're finding perimeter and you're clicking your best answers. Right here, it gives you an irregular shape. An irregular shape is one that is not a quadrilateral or one that we don't already know. But remember, we talked about these when we had our shape unit. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So technically, this would be a pentagon. You're going to find the perimeter of this pentagon. All sides are there, so there's no missing sides. Okay. All right, so complete that. Don't forget to complete all of them. And if you have any questions, please let me know.